Okay, this is a video on how to change the gear selection stuff for the driving downhill. First, this is your pad that you're going to use to change those icons. Currently it's on the steering wheel. Go to the right, switch to the truck, press OK, go down to transmission, using the down arrow, OK. Now you got E-Coast. Down. Now it is off. So back out. There's a little thing you can do is change this here is what affects your cruise control. So you can cut your underspeed down to 0. Okay, and now your cruise control will stay right at the speed you set it at. This one you can change when you're going downhill, down as low as 2. Any higher than 2 miles an hour over your set cruise, the engine brake will activate. You can go 3, 4, so on and so forth. Now on the transmission side, I'm going to be using that guy. So you push in right here and hold it. Now you see it's over to manual. Push it and hold it, economy. So that is how you switch back and forth between the quick push. Now it's in performance. Quick push again, back to economy. And that's really all you got to do. Pretty simple.